kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to give you a short demo of a new app, and that is the photo collage app using Android Studio. So basically I will first of all give you a short demo, and after that we will see how we can build this, and also I may be able to make the video tutorials for you. So let's get started. So first of all, uh, let's open the app and let's see the output demo of this app. And there you can see we have this photo collage app, and this is the view pager which have these images. So here we have these two options. This one is for the Play Store, and then this one is for the also for this. And here we will click on next screen, and there you can see we have a lot of frames which we can choose from, and these are all the frames. And okay, so here we will choose some a good frame. So let's say I have this frame here, and if I click on this heart, so there we will be opening the gallery and we will choose the images. So let's say I have this image, and there you can see we can even zoom it. Alright, and if we want to make it to the right or left, so you can see. Alright, so similarly for this image we can have another image, and that image we can put it like that, and after that we can also rotate it. And then we have this option to save the image. So I will click on this and the image will be saved. And so let's go back and let's have another frame. So there we have this frame here. So I will click on this image and we will select an image from there, and then we will click on the other and we select the image. And okay, so now we click on save, and from there you will see that we have the image saved. And if we go back and see the gallery, so we will be able to see it. Okay, so it does not update the gallery right now, but I will write the code later. So from here, if we go to my files and we click on, let me see where it is. Okay, so here you can see photo collage app, and there we have these two images which are stored here, and this one is the second image. So I hope that you have liked this app, and so if you want the source code, so I will upload the link in my video description so you can easily get from there. Alright, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.